Alright, I'm gonna start tagging everybody. Trying to get everybody tagged, guys. I'll try to, Rob. I try not to make this one too long. I do appreciate everybody getting into the break, though. Small ones. So, what are you guys thinking of how we should break this? I'm thinking certified unparalleled origins. What do you guys think? Now I got my little cheat sheet right here. I'm going to try and keep track of all the hitless teams so we can random that off real quick and then bust it open real quick for somebody. Yo, what up, Nathan? What up, Nathan? What's up, Antonio? Yeah, let's see some fire out of this. Alright, I'm going to read off the teams. Billy's got the Seahawks, Nathan's got the Bears, Cliff's got the Patriots, Saints, Emilio's got the Jags, Rob's got the Jets, Nathan's got the Colts, Tyler's got the Steelers, Lions, Michael Neal's got the Chargers, Sean's got the Bucks, Cliff's got the Panthers, David's got the Vikings, Mark's got the Broncos, Cliff's got the 49ers. No, that ain't right. Cliff's got the Cowboys. I got the wrong list on here. Alright, yeah. Cliff's got the Panthers, David's got the Vikings, Mark's got the Broncos, Cliff's got the Cowboys, John's got the Falcons, Mark's got the Bengals, Christopher's got the Chiefs, Emilio's got the 49ers, Ravens, Sean's got the Giants, Cliff's got the Browns, Rob's got the Eagles, Sean's got the Jets, Cliff's got the Packers, Sean's got the Bills, Antonio's got the Redskins, Christopher's got the Texans, Antonio's got the Titans, Tyler's got the Cardinals, Emilio's got the Raiders, Tyler's got the Rams, and I know I missed one. Michael Branch has got the Dolphins. Yeah, Michael, you got the Dolphins. I mean, Kenyon Drake. Alright, we're going to go with the certified first, gentlemen. Good luck, all. Good luck, all. pull some fire out of this tonight. Make it a good Saturday night for everybody. Alright, there's all the packs. Empty box. Alright, good luck, gentlemen. These are sealed up packages. Alright, first package. First pack. Joe Flacco. Jarvis Landry. Trusty old filler. Probably need that for in a little bit. Eli Manning. Not numbered. A little insert. And a Jeremy Hill blue. And a Jeremy Maclin. What is that? Hill. 43 out of 50. To the Bengals. Mark. That one's going out to you. Nice little hit on the numbered card. That is not considered a hit either, so don't worry about it. You're not out of the running for the hitless team. I mean, not that's where somewhere you want to be, but hey. Got our first hit in that one. Mike Ditka, Immortals. And that is numbered to 499. Put that one away in just a second. Jameis Winston, Mike Evans, Antonio Gates, and going to the Dolphins, Kenyon Drake. What'd I tell you? 149 out of 399. That was the Antonio Gates. There you go, Michael. Not hitless anymore. Kenyon Drake out of 399. Oh, let me get this other Ditka. And that is going to the Dallas Cowboys. Nice hit, Cliff. Alright, get in there. Mark the Dolphins off for a hit. Wow. They super glued these packs. I hate. Devontae Freeman. Brett Favre insert. Not numbered. Nice filler. Josh Norman. Insert not numbered. Drew Brees. AJ Green. I'm going to try and pull both of y'all something. Got our next one here. A red John Elway. 93 of 99. Drew Brees. Lamar Miller. Jason Witten. And going to the Chargers, Mr. Joey Bosa. That is a nasty patch on there too. And that is number 246 out of 299. Going to them Chargers. Who had the Chargers? Michael Neal. Nice. Very nice hit. 1, 2, 3, 4 color on the patch. Sick. Sickness. Man, Michael, I think you might have just found us a new name for the group, One Hit Wonder. And then we have that Elway numbered to 99. Ryan Matthews. Odell Beckham Gold Team. Not numbered. Trusty Filler again. Teddy Bridgewater. Man, I hated seeing him go down this year. Not numbered. Tyreek Hill. Marshawn Lynch. Next pack. I really didn't want to see him go down. I mean, I think he was going to have a great year this year. Le'Veon Bell. And that is numbered 496 out of 499. LaShawn McCoy. Tony Romo. And going to the Browns. Ricardo Lewis, 332 out of 399. Who had the Browns? It wasn't you, Chris? Nope, Cliff. Surprise, surprise. I think that's like the first time in probably 4 breaks that Chris has been in mine that he didn't get the Browns on a random team. Going out to Cliff. Get this bell. And then mark off the Browns. Alright, Jeremy Hill. Man, all these upside down cards. Frank Gore, Russell Wilson, Filler, Larry Fitzgerald, not numbered. Eli Apple, number 176 out of 225, orange. And a Rob Gronkowski. Three packs to go in this box. Jonathan Stewart base. Larry Cozart to the Dolphins insert, not numbered. Oh, the next hit to the Rams. Gridiron Signatures, Nelson Spruce. And that is 42 out of 99. On to them Chargers. Or not the Chargers, the Rams. Who had the Rams? Tyler. Tyler, who's winning that UFC fight? Or who's fighting right now? If you're watching. Immortals, Bo Jackson. That is number 668 out of 999. Jordan Reed base. Two packs left. Yeah, Larry Cozart. The Cozart, Cosinico. Yeah, sir. Whatever. Darrelle Revis, I don't know what I was looking at. It's in the prelims. Jordy Nelson, Filler, Aaron Rodgers, Sunday certified insert. Bob Greasy, 58 out of 99. And Alshon Jeffrey. Last pack, it's certified. Let's get one more hit out of this. Richard Sherman, Gold Team Laquan Treadwell, not numbered. Todd Gurley, skills, not numbered. And a Roberto Aguayo and Latavius Murray. And that does it for the certified. Not a bad little box right there. We'll go with that unparalleled next. Packs, empty box. Second box, unparalleled, good luck. I haven't even opened any of this yet. This is the first time I'm opening it. I saw Matt open a box of it, but I have yet to open a box. Zach Ertz, man, that corner is all peeled off. To the Eagles. Alshon Jeffries, Jaron Reed, Eli Apple, Sean Davis, Peyton Manning, Geno Smith, Richard Sherman, not numbered. Oh, there's a hit. Braxton Miller, and that is 159 out of 199. Then you got a Jalen Strong behind it. Who are them Texans? Christopher White. There you go, get your hit. Braxton Miller out of 199. Rashard Perriman, Devontae Freeman, Colby Listenby, Canu Neal, Paul Warfel, AJ McCarron, Jack Ham, Eli Manning and Odell Beckham, then a Tyler Lockett, not numbered. And the next hit going to Amari Cooper and the Oakland Raiders, 71 out of 99. Who are them Raiders? Emilio. Congratulations, Emilio. Nice Amari Cooper right there. Going with them to the Raiders. This isn't a bad product. I just hate it whenever they put all the cards upside down in one way, different ways. Come on now, guys. Jordy Nelson, D'Angelo Williams, Justin Hooper, Von Bell, Vernon Hargraves, the third, Marcus Mariota, Andre Reed, Stephon Diggs and Teddy B, perfect pairs, not numbered. Russell Wilson and a Joe Montana. Nothing in that one, boys. Nothing in that one. T.Y. Hilton, Richard Sherman, Jermaine Ifedi, sure, Daniel Lasco, Bubba Franks, Manti Te'o, Tajwa Sharp, Pivotal Drive, Adrian Peterson, Stephon Diggs, Teddy B. One play, 80 yards. Amon Green and a Chris Carter. Yeah, Sean, he hit. Pulled Kenyon Drake. Man, a lot of these cards. Corner, first card. Aaron Rodgers. Bubba Franks. Brennan Hargreaves III. Tayshaun Sharp again. Come on. Roberto Aguayo. Emmanuel Sanders. A'Shawn Robinson. Derek Carr zoned in. What is this? Joe Montana, Roger Craig, Jerry Rice, Pivotal Drive. 7 of 10. I don't know if you can see that, Emilio, but that says 7 of 10 right there. It is a nice card. Very nice hit. Hey, you traded for him, man. You gave up the Cowboys for it. You hit a 7 out of 10 card. It's not an auto or anything, but that's still a sick card. Seven out of 10. Joe Montana, Roger Craig, Jerry Rice, Pivotal Drive, January 22nd, 1989. Bengals versus 49ers. 11 plays, 92 yards. Nice hit. And then there was a Teddy Bridgewater base. Dude, everybody called you crazy for trading away the Cowboys for your 49ers, but hey, you're trading PC team for PC team. That's pretty sweet. Torrey Smith, Matt Ryan, Daniel Braverman, A'Shawn Robinson, Troy Aikman, Jay Cutler, Darrell Green Beckham. Going to the Titans because that's what's on the card, so I know he's an Eagle. Draft Diamonds, Joe Montana. Not numbered. Giovanni Bernard and Jeremy Hill, 75 out of 99. And Austin Seferian Jenkins, base. Alright, 2 packs left. Yeah, but I'm one of those ones that if you're prone to seizures, don't open a box of these, man. They may give you a seizure, all these colors coming off of them. Michael Irvin, Larry, yeah, whatever his name is. I don't know what I called it earlier, but I butchered it. Ronnie Stanley, Noah Spence, Tayshaun Sharp, Jarvis Landry, Brennan Hargreaves III, High Flyers, Allen Robinson, not numbered. Oh, and there's a hit. A'Shawn Robinson, 184 out of 199. And then you got a Tom Brady behind it, not numbered. And that is going to the Lions. Who had the Lions? Because I ain't lying. Tyler Osteen. Nice hit, Tyler. 184 out of 199. Forgot to mark all them teams off. They got hits already. Last pack out of Unparalleled. Donald Driver, Andre Rison, Taylor Decker, Sua Cravens, Warwick Dunn, Matt Jones, Brett Favre, Pivotal Drive, Eric Decker, Brandon Marshall, Ryan Fitzpatrick, not numbered. Joe Hayden, number 51 out of 99 to the Browns. And a Vincent Jackson, not numbered. Alright, on to the last box, gentlemen. Last box of Origins. We'll go over all the hits afterwards. Then I will go get off. I will run the video for the hitless teams. I will then come back live again and bust this high-tech box for whoever wins it. One package of Origins, empty box. Alright, here we go, gentlemen. Alright, Ted Ginn Jr. base. Greg Olsen base. Melvin Gordon, 46 out of 60. First hit going to the Seahawks, CJ Prosay, 119 out of 149. Jersey, one of them Seahawks. Who had them Sea Chickens? Billy. Congratulations, Billy, on the hit. Oh. And it takes the Seahawks off the list. Next hit, going to the Raiders, DeAndre Washington, not numbered. Who had the Raiders? I already hit once, I know that. Emilio. See what happens, Emilio? You trade off a damn good team, and you get rewarded. You get hits. Going to the Raiders, DeAndre Washington. And last hit. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dak Prescott. Man, they couldn't have gotten him a better pen though. Marker, that one is so faded. The Dak on it, I mean, you've got to look at it in a light. But that is 3 of 99. Nice, Cliff. Congrats, bro. That is sick, nasty right there. Boom, and this is what we come to the show for. Congratulations, Cliff. Mr. Dak Prescott in the building. And he's going to be in the building tomorrow night. See that? I mean, that auto is just a little bit faded on this. I mean, don't get me wrong, the card's still sexy as hell. That's a way to end the break right there. And then a Todd Gurley red, not numbered. But that is a way to end the break. So let's go ahead and mark them Cowboys off. Yeah, one off the jersey number. Alright, let's start with the certified again first. Nelson Spruce out of 99. Cardo Lewis out of 399. Joey Bosa out of 299. That's a nice card right there too. And a Kenyon Drake out of 399. Ashawn Robinson out of 199. Amari Cooper out of 99. Nice jersey pieces in there as well. And then Braxton Miller out of 199. And we got a DeAndre Washington, not numbered, 2-color. CJ Prosay, 119 out of 149. And then the big boy of the break on the last hit, Mr. Dak Prescott, 3 out of 99 with the silver ink. I mean, I admit the silver ink is sick, but if you look at it the wrong way, it does look like it starts to fade away in person, but I mean, still a nasty card. Congratulations, Cliff. I don't even want to send that one out. And then we also got a stack of numbered cards. Melvin Gordon to 99 or to 60. Joe Hayden to 99. Giovanni Bernard, Jeremy Hill to 99. The triplets, Montana, Craig, and Rice to 10. Bob Greasy to 99. Bo Jackson to 999. Eli Apple to 225. Le'Veon Bell to 499. John Elway to 99. Mike Ditka to 499. And a Jeremy Hill to 50. Nice break, gentlemen. Nice break. I enjoyed that one. Appreciate all y'all getting into it. Let me get all these teams squared away of who went hitless, and I will get that random for y'all real quick. And then I'll come back on real quick to bust this box of high tech. Appreciate everybody getting into it. If I don't have your address, PM it to me, please. And I'll get this out first thing Monday morning. Peace.